So now let's talk about insecure direct object references, or IDOR. So this occurs when an application exposes a reference to internal objects such as user IDs, file names, or database keys in URLs or requests. So, and fails to verify user authorization to access them. So since Altora Mutual doesn't provide direct profile URLs, so let's explain the concept using an example. So for example, imagine a user profile page accessible via a URL like this. Like this. So if a user manually changes the ID parameter to ID 102, 103, and etc., it gains access to another user's profile without authorization. That's a clear case of IDOR. So attackers can exploit this by iterating through numeric IDs or guessing predictable object identifiers, potentially accessing sensitive user data. So to prevent IDOR, developers should enforce access control checks on the server side, ensuring the authenticated user has permission to access the requested resource. So obscuring identifiers is not enough. Robust authorization logic must be in place.